Recent study of sound therapy says that when we make different sounds with our voice, different parts of our physical body starts to vibrate. Just like when we hit the singing bowl or crystal balls or gong, then the instrument vibrates as it makes a sound. So the same thing happens in our internal space. The different parts of the body, like organs and muscles, are vibrating within the body, and these are so healing. So I'd like to do one very quick 1-minute experiment with you here. So come closer to the earth. You can kneel down, or you can be in Malasana Yogi squat as well. One hand on the heart and one hand on the earth. And let's just close the eyes for a few breaths, connecting to the natural breath. It is said that the vowel sounds of A and U are connected, as well as O, are connected with our lower part of the body, lower part of the belly, as well as the heart center. So when we make the sound A or U or O, we can actually connect and feel the vibration through our touch. So with the next exhalation, let's make a vowel sound. A, U. Let's continue for a few more rounds. O, A, O. And I hope you felt some vibration. Your chest area is vibrating, that you could feel with the palm of the hands, the little very subtle movement. And that is your chest area vibrating with your sound frequency. And just even after a few sounds of O, A, U, you feel a little bit more open in your chest area. So let us explore further deep into the embodied voice.